Can I trust my emotions?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to speed clean our house. This is basically my cleaning routine almost every day after I have deep cleaned the house after the weekends. What I do is I just give quick wipes on the surfaces, wash the dishes, fix the bed and sofa, and vacuum the floor. I do this just to maintain the cleanliness of our house. So, let's start! I've already made the bed before I had my breakfast, so I'll start my cleaning in our living area. I'm clearing out the coffee table first so that I can wipe it. I always use interchangeably this antibacterial spray and the multi-purpose cleaner which I bought at the warehouse here in New Zealand.
We risked it all. We gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
Now I'm going to proceed with fixing our sofa, and I vacuum this at least once a week.
This still is like I'm wasting time. I need some space. I need a little time to run away. You're the one I'm needing in my life.
Then I'll proceed to our dining table and clear it out too. Then I'll also wipe it using the microfiber cloth and the antibacterial spray or the multi-purpose cleaner, whichever is available.
Just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles.
These are the snacks which I reviewed on my previous video, so if you want to check it out, click on the link on the upper right corner of the screen. I decided to put them in these jars, and I still have to buy another cabinet because we don't have a pantry cabinet as of this moment. My husband always takes out the trash before he leaves for work, so that all I have to do is clean the trash bin, or whenever I feel like it's not dirty, I'll just put a trash bag in it.
I need a break, I need a little time to go and pray.
The kitchen is always messy, so what I'm doing right now is I'm clearing out the counter. I'm putting all the dirty dishes in the sink, and then I'm going to keep all the dry dishes inside the cabinet.
I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going.
Now I'm wiping the counter and the stovetop later using the same antibacterial spray and a microfiber cloth.
See, I met you at a friend's house. Back then it worked out. But see, the thing about change is you never see it coming till you're out of the lane. Still I'm rocking on your team, no. Cause you're something like a dreamboat. And I feel in your ways. We be arguing and fighting almost every day. And the people say you're playing it. Well, I bet they say the same of me. Cause we be riding the lows. I ain't thinking clearly cause we out of control, baby. Tell me where do we go, baby? Cause I want me some more, baby. Love's a circle to me. You keep my heart spinning, girl, that's all that I need. Come on. Just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going.
I only wash a few dishes in the morning since all of the dishes used during dinner were already washed the night before. So it's really a great help for me.
Just going and going in circles. I'm spinning on the
After washing the sink, I always make sure to wipe the faucet, but sometimes I forget doing this. Luckily, I didn't forget about it this time.
Just 1 year ago, everything was growing inside. Backed up months ago, it is getting harder.
And last but not least, I'm going to vacuum the floor. I don't mop our floor every day. I do that at least twice a week every time I'm scheduled to clean the bathroom.
All is going wild, I can't even get through the night. Where did you go, our love? It felt so right. Now I can't get you off my mind. It's spinning like a circle and I keep walking outside. Maybe if I touched you right, maybe I can put up a fight. Oh baby, did I hold you too tight? Well, not tonight. I get home too late, life is getting busy at day. I keep my schedule up, filling it with meetings and stuff. But now it's fall again, hearing voices sing through the night. Where are you, off my friend? Maybe.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching this speed cleaning video. I hope that I motivated you in cleaning, and I always say that having a small or ugly house doesn't matter as long as it's clean. Anyway, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and see you in my next video.
Well, maybe if I touched you right.